In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Firefox AI chatbot to ChatGPT. As you can see here on my sidebar, I have Copilot as my current sidebar chatbot, but I wish to change this to ChatGPT. To do this is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Firefox browser and then head to the menu here and tap on it. From here, go to settings, and if you click on settings, go to the side menu here and look for AI controls. Click on it and scroll down to AI chatbot provider in sidebar, and it will here that keep a chatbot in view as you browse. You can choose from Anthropic, Claudia, ChatGPT, Copilot, Google Gemini, and LaChat Mistral. So to change this, go ahead and tap on your current chatbot. You can see it is Copilot. If I go ahead and tap on it, now I have an option to switch to any of these. So I'll go ahead and choose ChatGPT, and now it has been selected, and you can see ChatGPT is active here in my sidebar. So if I go ahead and open a new browser, you can now see my sidebar chatbot has been changed to ChatGPT, and if I click on it, I can now ask ChatGPT any question straight from here. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.